Okay, so here we are. It is now the day after the snowstorm, and you can see that we got quite a bit. Probably, let's see, this is probably kind of drifted here, but probably 12 inches or so. As I step over the snow mound here, so you can sort of see where the plows came through and pushed it to the side off of the court. It's kind of chilly, but the kids are loving it. No school today! And as you guys have probably heard, south of here got quite a bit more. And I think Milwaukee, there was a line of snow that hit Milwaukee. I think they got around 2 feet. So can you imagine twice the amount of this? Hey, you guys, say hi to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi, Ruby. Oh, big hug for Grandma and Grandpa. Hug on the camera. Say hi, Sky. And the sissies. And of course, sisterly love. Stay home day. Okay, ooh, hey. Enough of that. All right, say goodbye. We're signing off. Love you guys. Bye-bye.